And this is Find the Animals part, okay, let me see what I can do here. Let's go to Find the Animals, part 11, last numbered part. So in the video, I'm going to, the bat, try the Dilophosaurus again, lobster, and the fennec fox, and the parrot, and the iguana. And probably the panther. Now let's see. Well, now you can see what I'm gonna do now, and what. Actually, I'm not gonna try the Dilophosaurus. I am just gonna do that. I'll try to get off camera if I even can, but I'm gonna go somewhere else, in a different area. So the what I showed is now the lobster. I'm gonna try to get it this time, because this is the first animal in this video, lobster. Let me see if I can get it again. But if you watch my first one, you will see what to do. But I don't think you would watch part 10 and then 11, because it's really the same day as I uploaded them. Okay. Now let's go. Just watch. It's gonna take a long time because of... Okay, now do... Oh, okay, last side. Okay. There's two sides of this. Now you know, and the lobster's on the last side. So there's not like three sides. It's only two, like I saw the last video, and I have so many rebirths. And total animals is like 15, 19. I have a lot. But, okay, I missed a count. I had another account which had a lot of animals. Okay, no, go. Oh my god, I missed. Actually, I'm just gonna do top camera because like, it's too hard to do on camera. Okay, just wasted half the time. Now it's time for the bat. Okay, I'm gonna do bat, which is I'm going to do it today one time. The bat and the fennec fox is going to be the easiest of all of them. The fox, okay, the fennec fox, fennec fox. To get the fennec fox, you have to go into here, you have to go into here, you have to go into here, go in here. And when you go into here, you keep on going. It's going to take a long time because of like these edges. This is the first animal of the video right now. I'm gonna try to get a lot more. And the last one's out that main, like that building area. And finally, we're here. It's the fennec fox. Now we're gonna go back to that building and see if we can get to the iguana, which is on one of the trees, and also the one on there's one on top of the building, which is the parrot, which I tried to do in some of my videos, but I couldn't. There's the iguana. I missed. I'll tell you to do that for further. Let's go high in the sky, and I know what to do. Let's see. Oh yeah, I didn't realize they added that. They don't add much stuff anymore. They don't add animals. They don't add animals. The last time they added the animals like 2022. They go. Yeah, okay, there's the iguana. You just have to drop down from a high point on the building. Now finally the parrot, which I don't know if I can get though. But you probably, if you literally see in the video when I tried to get the parrot, if I did try to get it. Yeah, I did try to get it. I know. Now, but the parrot is like, you have to go down to the building and you have to like drop down from the top of it. So now I'm going to speed up because I can get to the top. And also, I would not recommend using the sprint if you want to just jump and try to get the parrot. I got it! Finally, there's the parrot. You have to just jump up from the top of the building, and it's going to be right here. on a statue. Look so small. Wee. It's so small. Okay. So now I'll try the bat. Well, okay. I will do the. Okay. Let's just do. I'm doing the bat. The bat is really annoying. The bat's so hard to do, but also it's unexpected. But it's actually in the jungle. It's in the like temple area. And that was alright. I'm gonna go get the bat. Let's go, and the bat is in here, go here, and you will fall down here, and you gotta find like a box. Yeah, this box, which is the most annoyingest thing. I don't know why they even made this a medium, because of how hard it is. And move this gigantic box to the bat. Let me see if this is gonna work. Because I might just try to help people in this game. Wait, oh, I found it. And we go, and then we push this on. Oh, this is the hardest part. You have to get it, fit it through here. This is just so annoying and hard. Okay, okay. I don't really know what to do. Okay. Well, I don't know what to do. Go. Okay, actually, I might have to skip this one. Okay. Also, if you really want to cheat, I don't know how to cheat, but yeah, this is how you have to get it, but you can't get up there. Somehow. Yeah, there's no other way than to get the box. That's the only thing, because you can't jump on people in this game because of cheating. Okay, I don't really want to show it right now. Yeah, definitely not doing that. A lot of the animals is putting to do. Because the bat is literally and the Lavasaurs are the only mediums I'm putting right now. T-Rex is hard, and I might. Okay, T-Rex and Panther. Okay, let's do this. T-Rex is gonna be a lot. The T-Rex, it's on the main volcano. You have to go to it. So go to it. Okay, now so go to the volcano area. Now, finally, I'm revealing the obby. But that obby, you can just skip that part because there's a secret way to get there. There's a secret way to actually get there that not a lot of people know about. You can just jump from here, and that's a shortcut. Just skip an entire stage of it. You can use the shortcut. This might take a long time because of how hard it is. Now let's skip it. Okay, maybe not. Okay, no. Just go. Go. Okay, I'll just stop talking right now. Okay, now I'm going to talk also how to do this obby. You don't be close to this. And yeah, that's what I skipped. You don't have to do that. You can just skip that part. Skip that part. I would skip the part and use a shortcut. Now, here is basically the last part of it. Of this. So you have to find this ladder. I mean, there's like 4 ladders around the area, I think. And then it's all the way over there. Yeah, there we go. And I'm just gonna jump. There we got the T-Rex. Now it's okay, now last animal of the video. It's the panther. Okay, now, panther. Panther is in here. Go in here and I wait for the machine. Okay, this will go down, You just have to wait until it's ready. I don't really know. Please, what? When it's ready, it's gonna turn like metal. It'll turn like metalish. I will wait. Just you have to wait for this to happen. Ooh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's not happening. Why is it not happening? Oh my god, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Yeah, when it happens with this, it's gonna happen. Okay, ready? Go down. Okay, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. It's hard to see. Oh no, 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 no. Now there's a middle man. Okay, there we go. We're okay. So now let's go over here. Oh my god, this is hard. Okay, did it now? Oh no, it's good. Oh no. Okay, I think everything on the right spot. Right spot we are. Oh no, run. Oh, okay. And then this is the last one. It's like the last one, I think. Yeah, it's like the entrance to the top. Oh no, I don't know what this one. I don't really know what this one. Phew. Okay, so you're at the top. There's the panther, and up here is a button for another video. It's for the tiger. But I just pressed the button for no reason. The video ended. Also, I'm going to change my profile picture. If you saw my profile picture, remember it was like here. But I have an idea of changing it. So, I have an idea of changing it, but I don't know where to change it. Because, like, the jungle, I already did the jungle profile for a long time. So, I'm going to do a profile. I'm going to do the dinosaur one profile in the dinosaur world. So I'm going to do it right on top of the Brachiosaurus. Actually, no. I have an idea. For this, it's going to be really good if I went on top of the elephant. I'm going to make a profile picture where it says somewhere Savannah. So get ready for my more videos and my new profile picture. Bye.